Hello, I'm Craig Smith, and welcome to Extreme Fishing with Craig and Maddie. Maddie, say hello. Today we're going to be catching some fucking monsters. So, let's take a look. Not much seems to be happening there, so back right after the break. Say bye. Say after the break.
After the break.
See ya, bitches. Fun. I caught a hench fish today. Shit! Did you see that? Here comes the fish. Oh shit! Oh, it's pulling me in. There we go. There it is. Caught it today. Going in my belly. Fucking biggest fish I think I caught. About 10 pounds I think. Oh, shut up! Tell it was boss. Take you can't his nip. Fucking you! It's a bit deformed. Yeah. Oh. I said no. And now what I'm going to do is you're going to put him back in the water for a little swim. Shit. Hit the branch.
Is it dead?
I think it's gone.
Do you think it's dead?
I don't think it's dead. That is Craig Smith Extreme Fishing. Thank you very much. Good night.